Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can use VLC Media Player as a screen recorder on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. To record your screen, simply open VLC Media Player. So here I have my VLC Media Player. Let me tell you that I already made a video on how you can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. I'll put the video link in the description box or you will get the video link in the I button. Now let me show you how you can capture your screen. For that, simply click on Media option, and here we have a option called Open Capture Device. Simply click on this option and it will open Capture Device option. Here we have capture mode. From the drop down menu, simply select desktop, and here we don't have any device selection option because we are going to capture the desktop. And here we have a option to select the desired frame rate for the capture, and here simply write 60 frame rates per second because I use 60 frame rates per second on my video. Now here on the play option, simply click on this drop down menu and simply select convert, and it will open you the convert page. Here you have to select your video profile. Let me select H.264 plus MP3. That will convert my file to MP4 video format, and you can also select other video profiles. So let me select this option, and here we have an option to select the destination where we want to save the file. So let me click on this browse option and let me browse my location where I want to save the file. Let me save on desktop, and here we have to name our file. Save example test. Then here click on save. Now to record your desktop, simply click on start button and it will start the recording. After you are done with the recording, simply open VLC Media Player and here simply click on this pause option. Simply close VLC Media Player and you will find the video file on your destination folder where you have saved the file. So I had saved on my desktop, so here I have the video file. Let me show you the video. Here you can see that our desktop has been captured using VLC Media Player. So this way you can use VLC Media Player as a screen recorder on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.